This is my view today. I planned poorly. Hey, what's up? Scott Balkin here with Imagination Creation Films, and yeah, I'm on another little adventure, another filmmaking adventure, while I'm on my way to another job. So, join me. All right, so we're fixing to take off. We're gonna go out to the actual location. We're gonna do a couple of shots, some test shots, just make sure we get framing right, get all our settings tweaked in for all the cameras, and then we're gonna go pick up the big ass lights, and we're going to go down to a studio and check that out. And then, I don't know, we might get into some more crazies. I don't know. Hey, Kenji, okay, we're gonna do a simple test. I want you to tell me which one you want. You howl at the lens that you like.
Tokyo?
Or Sigma. So part of the fun of shooting is you need to pick up lights.
I sent a new picture of his band up there. Yeah.
So we're gonna pick up some lights.
This was up there in the middle?
Yeah, well, it was back there in the back corners. I had to like move parts around and pull it up.
So we've got this, and we've got to put this in it. It's not small. We got it. It's in there. I don't know what we're gonna do with everything else, but yeah, no, this is not my typical normal video, but it's the best I can do with the circumstances I'm in. I didn't have a video prepared, and I thought I'd just share a little bit. That's kind of full back there. Cool, so now we're checking out this studio space because I can. Woo! Co-loaded office space, yeah. It's not really used. Your office is in here?
No, my office is upstairs. But like 5, you know, just slow motion. 5.
Alright, so we're flying multiple 20 bys today. We've got Video Village here. Working on that. We've got wind block, we've got sun block. We got all kinds of stuff to do. It's an active shoot.
Like 5 people probably do. What about now? only see from the last tie off and the edge, the corner. Like, out. Scooter.
What you need, buddy?
Scooter McGavin. You're shooting vertical today.
This camera's taking the signal up to the monitor up there.
Hey.
Hey, is it on it? Let me
on,
make
yep.
sure it's running.
Should be good, yep. Please check that.
I'm not seeing that. Are you adjusting it for my height now?
Okay, so
Okay.
So whenever you're ready, you're past from Germany. You're almost.
Yeah, my path from Germany to the US was a long one. You know? That's where I'm
That's really something that's very important. But being a professional athlete, it won't last forever. So you have to plan for life after sports. So if you could just talk about a little bit about where people may know you now, what you do off the field.
right, so make sure I'm understanding that correctly. When he falls here, he's not paying attention to the camera. When he starts to walk forward, then you can look at the camera.
Actually, no motorcycle helmets. They have one with air
I
conditioning.
usually have.
That'd be awesome.
I usually carry baby diapers, cloth baby diapers. Super absorbent.
Right.
Cool. What's that?
Alright, action one. Alright, cut. Action.
Action.
And we are wrapped. That was brutal today. It was 97 degrees, super hot. But we got air conditioning. We got it all. We got everything we need. We're gonna probably come back tomorrow and get some audio. But yeah, it's good. Those are the kind of sets that I love working on. You get to be on set with a real crew, really good professionals, and just, you know, doing everything. And on this, I was originally just supposed to DIT and edit, but I ended up being C-cam and also being second AC and also DIT, and now I get to go edit everything. So, you know, it all works out. I mean, it's a thing. It's worth it. As I always say, any day on set is always a good day. Oh hey, she's got good. Well, now I feel guilty. I'm sitting here in the air conditioning. Oh, you got it.
Guys, thank you so
No,
much
thank you.
again.
Thank you.
Enjoy this beautiful day.
You enjoy the beautiful day.
You go to the pool.
Yeah, right.
Come back to work.
Thank you. Thank you. And just like that, I realized I did not close out my vlog. It was a hectic couple of days. Well, it was a hectic week or so. And this is kind of a hodgepodge of a vlog. And, well, it's because vlogs are not my favorite thing. I thought they would be, but they're not. And so I don't ever put a lot of passion into them. I definitely go and get the B-roll. I love the B-roll, but I guess when it comes down to it, I'm not a vlogger. So I tried to capture what was going on behind the scenes of the shoot. The whole first day, I didn't even shoot at all. It was a very closed set, and I didn't want to get in trouble, and I found out it was actually okay if I did. I just couldn't post it, but I didn't want to fight with that. I captured a lot of the second day, but we had 2 shoot days. First day we were shooting with Joseph Martinez from Atlanta United, and then Julian Gressel. For the second day, you saw him on the BTS, and then we picked up a third day for some voiceover from Joseph, which you saw there at the end. It was a fun shoot. It was the hottest 2 days on record in Atlanta. It was unbelievable. It was 95 degrees, I believe, but it was like 90% humidity. It was truly brutal. But we pulled it off, and you know, it was kind of fun. I always enjoy being on set, as I always say, and you know, that was a fun experience always. And so I'll bring more of those as I can. Again, it depends on the security nature of the shots. These commercials are now coming out now, so I can post this. I couldn't before. There's kind of a big lag and a nay in our weekly videos, and it kind of stinks because I had planned on putting this out because we had such a tight release schedule, but that got pushed, which means my videos got pushed, which means I didn't have anything. It's been kind of a stressful couple of weeks, but I plan on getting back on track here very, very soon. And yeah, so yeah, I mean, if you have any questions or comments about that shoot or anything else, leave them in the comment section down below. I try to read and respond to each and every one, just to say thank you. I do have a Patreon or a PayPal if you wish to support me that way. I greatly appreciate all my Patreon and PayPal supporters. You know what? Help. Just give a little bit. Just a little. I don't want to cyber beg. You know, just help if you can. Really. I appreciate it. Or use one of my Amazon links. Click any of my links, and it's an affiliate link. If you just click on any one of them and do your shopping on Amazon, it helps me. And you want to help me, and I want to help you, and you know, it's kind of cool. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. It's a great growing community of filmmakers, and you would be a great part. And as always, as I like to leave it, don't let your passions center around your life. Let your life center around your passions.